Shopify AliExpress Dropshipping Guide Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this Shopify AliExpress Dropshipping Guide Review. Links to tools and resources mentioned in this video are included in the description below, so check them out. Shopify paired with AliExpress is one of the most popular combinations for starting a dropshipping business, and for good reason. This guide focuses on the features, strengths, and weaknesses of using Shopify with AliExpress, helping you understand whether it's the right choice for your business. Features. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface and a robust platform for building your online store, while AliExpress serves as a massive product sourcing hub. By using apps like Deezers or Oberlo, available in the Shopify App Store, you can import products from AliExpress into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. These apps allow you to customize product descriptions, images, and prices to align with your brand. Automated order processing is a key feature, enabling you to fulfill orders directly through AliExpress without manual intervention. Shopify provides a wide range of themes and plugins to optimize your store for performance, while AliExpress ensures access to millions of products in various niches. Real-time inventory syncing and pricing updates ensure accuracy, and tracking integration keeps your customers informed about their shipments. Who is it for? This combination is perfect for anyone looking to start a dropshipping business. Whether you're a beginner testing the waters or an experienced entrepreneur scaling your operations, Shopify and AliExpress provide everything you need to create a professional store and source products at competitive prices. Strengths. The Shopify AliExpress combo offers simplicity, scalability, and affordability. Shopify's drag-and-drop store builder makes it easy to create a visually appealing storefront, while AliExpress gives you access to a vast range of products with no upfront inventory costs. The automation features available through apps minimize manual work and free up your time to focus on marketing and growth. Shopify's integrations also give you powerful marketing tools, such as email campaigns and abandoned cart recovery. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, there are challenges to consider. Shipping times from AliExpress suppliers can be long, particularly for customers in regions far from China. Additionally, quality control varies between suppliers, so it's essential to vet them carefully. Shopify and app subscription fees can add up, especially for new dropshippers on a tight budget. In summary, Shopify and AliExpress provide an excellent foundation for building a dropshipping business. Their automation, scalability, and ease of use make them ideal for entrepreneurs at any level. To explore tools and resources that can help you get started, check out the links in the description below.